How to export video from CapCut to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export a video from CapCut to your phone's gallery step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you have opened the app, simply select the project that you want to export. And now here, once you are inside the project, simply finalize the edit that you want to do with that particular project. And once you're done with everything, simply tap on the export button shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you do that, simply set the video quality like resolution and frame rate, and the higher quality means a bigger file size. And after that, the video will process exporting, and once done, the video will be automatically saved to your phone gallery or the camera roll. And from here, you can share directly to TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp also. And that's it. That's how you can export your video from CapCut to your gallery. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.